Hey guys, welcome to part 1 of my sim rig. This will be a series of 3 parts. So in this part I just want to talk about my frame. So let's get in. The frame is pretty much separated into 3 parts. The first part is this area at the back here, which is just a platform with the seat screwed down to it, bolted down to it. So here's a seat. This is a race seat. If I take these pillows off, because I don't have padding right now, you can see that there are 4 bolts holding it in, and it's quite sturdy, stays in there. It's really nice. The seat is comfortable with these pillows in it. It's fine. It's good for braking because it doesn't slide back like this seat over here, which I was using, which is a nice seat, but it has wheels on it. So when you try and brake on this hard brake in here, this hard brake just is really hard to push down, so the chair would just slide backwards, but it doesn't happen here because it's bolted in. So that's really nice. I can actually use the brake pedal now. The second part of the frame is pretty much just holding the wheel on. It's a Logitech G920. I'll get to that in a later video. But pretty much it's just 2 uprights held in with 2 nails and a wood screw, and then one sort of crossbar with 2 nails and a wood screw on each side holding it on. And it wobbles a little bit, but it's not too bad. It kind of wobbles the whole thing, so it's not any of a problem. When you're turning, it doesn't really wobble that much. It's just when you're trying to wobble it. So that's probably the most basic part of the whole frame. Let's move on to the last part. Is in here, and it's pretty much a tilted platform like the one holding the chair, just a platform, but it's tilted up to let the pedals be easy to press down. So when your foot's in here, you don't have to press it as far back to get it all the way down. Whereas if they were flat, you'd have to press your foot flatter and it hurts the ankle. So that's just tilted up, just with a piece of wood in there holding it up. You can see the angle there. And that just has my pedals sitting on it. They're not screwed in or anything, but they stay there well enough that it's fine. And if I want to, I can push them back up against the wall and they won't move back any further than that. There's kind of one more part to the frame, but it's not really. So I've got these 3 pieces of wood on each side. There's 3 over there. And they're holding up this whole table to raise it up so that these don't touch you. Your feet don't touch these when you're pressing on the pedals. So these are just raising this table up, and the table's sitting here with an old computer case on it, which isn't used. There's nothing in it. There's just a couple cords, and I put this DVD drive in here just to give it some black there, because it was just a hole and it looked a little bit off. It's just an old PC case just to lift the TV monitor, whatever, up, just so when you're sitting in the simulator it looks kind of like this. So I feel like that's a really nice height to have it at. So that's why that's there. It's just to hold the TV up. I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. Please come back and watch the next 2 parts about the PC I'm using for this simulator and the wheel I'm using for this simulator. See you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.